Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install software update or firmware update. First you go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Select about. Under about here we can see version. Right now I am using Android TV OS version 10. I am going to update this. Go to system update. Select this option. Please wait, now it's checking for update. Okay, done. It shows new update available. Version of new update is Android TV OS version 12.1.1. Size of the update is 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select that button. That way we can download and install this update into this TV. If you are not seeing this update in your TV, that means company is not yet released this update for your TV model. Hence you have to wait. You have to keep checking this. Once this is available, then you would be able to download and install in your TV model. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.